Claude plus Seedance 2, the best AI UGC ads tutorial. User-generated content ads are the best performing ad format on every major social platform right now, and every brand that has figured this out is producing them at scale. Now, the problem for most marketers is that sourcing real UGC requires briefing creators, waiting, reviewing, revising, and paying per piece. Now, the whole process is quite slow, expensive, and inconsistent. The combination of Claude and Seedance 2 removes almost all of that friction. Claude is going to write the script and creative direction. Seedance is going to generate the video. You get a UGC style ad that performs like authentic creator content at a fraction of the time and cost. Now, this tutorial is going to show you the complete workflow from brief to finished ad. Now, Claude and Seedance 2.0 complement each other in a specific way that matters for the UGC ad production. Okay, and it's really incredible and simple on how it does it. Now, Claude is the strategic and copywriting layer. It actually understands marketing frameworks. It can analyze a product and generate multiple creative angles. It writes in natural conversational language rather than marketing speak, and it can iterate rapidly on copy direction based on your specific feedbacks. Now, for UGC specifically, Claude is quite excellent at writing scripts that sound like a real person talking rather than an advertiser pitching. Now, Seedance is the video production layer. Its specific advantage for UGC is its human character rendering quality. The AI generated human presenter in Seedance have reached a quality level where they are genuinely difficult to distinguish from real people in a social media feed context. Combined with the natural sounding voice and authentic looking environments, the output reads as creator content rather than polished brand production. Now, the workflow should be that Claude develops the creative strategy and writes the script. Now, you use that specific script to generate the Seedance video, and the resulting ad is pretty much ready to run. So let's go through it step by step. Now, first and foremost, you're going to open up your Claude. Okay, now Claude is really simple and straightforward. Okay, it's really useful and fun to work along with because it's totally free, and the sign up process is really simple. So if you don't have a paid account, don't worry. Simply go ahead with your Google and sign in with any of your accounts to get started with a free account right there and then. Okay, so once we do that, we're going to get right into the free account workings over here. And once we are in, you're going to be able to see that Claude is going to bring you to its main prompter. Now over here, first and foremost, what you're going to do is your first job is giving Claude enough product context to write genuinely effective UGC copy, not generic, not promotional sounding, but specific and authentic. So you're going to paste in your product brief. Now, a complete brief for Claude should include what the product is and what it actually does and who the target customer is specifically. The main problem it solves, the key differentiators from alternatives, and any social proof that you have, the price point, and the call to action. Then you're going to give Claude a specific direction for UGC ads. So the prompt structure should be something quite beefy, something quite big and good. So let me show you what it should look like. Now, this is what a good prompt should look like. Write 3 UGC style video ad scripts for said product. Each script should be 45 to 60 seconds when spoken at a natural pace. The hook should be a specific relatable problem statement from the target customer's perspective, not a question, a statement. The body should describe the product experience in first person as if the speaker discovered and tried it themselves. The close should be a soft recommendation, not a hard sell. Avoid all marketing languages, words like amazing, revolutionary, game changer. Make it sound like someone texting a friend about something they found. The 3 scripts should each take a different emotional angle. One focused on frustration with the problem before finding this, one focused on the pleasant surprise of how well it works, and one focused on the specific results they got. Okay, so let's say my product is going to be charcoal face wash. Okay, let's go with that. And once we've done that, we're simply going to hit enter. Now, Claude is going to generate 3 complete scripts. Now, each one is going to have a different hook in it, a different narrative arc, even a different emotional register. So, giving you variations to test rather than committing to one angle. You're going to review each script out loud. The test for good UGC copy is whether it sounds like something a real person would genuinely say to another real person. So if any line sounds like it came from a marketing brief with its innovative formula or trusted by thousands, flag it and ask Claude to rewrite that section in more natural language. You're going to pick the strongest script to produce first and use Claude to refine it further. Like make the hook more specific, add a detail that will resonate with someone who had this exact experience. So once you like your script, you're going to come over to Seedance. Now again, you're going to log in with Seedance, and Seedance interface is going to look like this. Now over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come to new project, and it's going to bring you to the AI video generator. Now you have two main generation modes, and in this case, you can use the avatar mode. Okay. There's different types of generations, but you can simply come over to this section or even go over to its very own studio, go to product ads. Okay. And once you come over to product ads, as you can see, it's going to bring you right to the right section, where you're going to have all the natural findings and all the natural places where you're going to be creating things. So over here in product ads, obviously we're going to go with avatar mode. So first of all, you're going to choose the avatar of your type. Choose an avatar that's going to work for you. Now, in my case, let's say I'm going to go with someone like, let's go with Nadia, okay? And let's say I'm going to use this avatar. Now, over here, it says upload a product. Now, what you can do is you can upload an image of the specific product that you're talking about, because that, enables more, you could say, consistent generations. So just go ahead and upload the image of the face wash product that you want to go with, and it should be really simple. Any basic image, obviously make sure that it is in high quality, but yeah, any image of a good face wash product with a decent pixel quality should work relatively well. So once you have uploaded a proper product, what you're simply going to do from there is you're going to start adding your script. Okay. And over here, you're going to want to make sure that your script is fully refined. Now paste this Claude refined script. So over here, I'm going to go with the script over here, come in this section, add it here. And once this is done, here you can choose however many seconds you want. So let's say I want it to be 10 seconds. Let's go with 9:16. You can choose the aspect ratio. So 480 or 720. Let's keep it 420 or 480 for now. So the generation is good. And once you've done all of that, you're going to hit generate. Now, once you do that, as you can see, you're going to start going ahead and creating these videos. Okay. And of course, it goes on. And according to that, your generations are going to work pretty efficiently and pretty well. And what happens in these cases is you do need to make sure that you have enough credits. But once you have enough credits and you've added all of this, you should have your very own generation. Okay. And once your generation is done and good to go, you can pretty much create stuff like this and proper UGC ads where AI is going to develop everything for you. So once everything is done, you should have a proper AI UGC ad good to go, up and running and working efficiently and properly. So that is how you can work with Claude and Seedance in the most efficient way possible. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.